Keeping up with our motto that learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure, here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students. Today we are going to start with class 10 Science, chapter number 7, Introduction to Microbiology. Topics which I am going to cover during this session are Introduction to Microbiology and Dairy Products. What is microbiology? Microbiology deals with the study of microorganisms and their interactions with the biotic and the abiotic components of the environment. Microbes are so small that they cannot be seen by the naked eye, and they include bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoa and viruses. This study is used for the society, and various products like food and medicines are produced on large scale with the help of microorganisms. This science of microbiology is related to commercial use of microbes in which various economic, social and environment related processes and products are included. Let us see the main features of industrial microbiology. Various production with the help of fermentation process takes place. For example, bread, cheese, wine, raw material for chemicals, enzymes, nutrients, medicines, etc. Microbes are also used for garbage management and pollution control. Dairy products. Since ancient days, milk is converted into various products for its preservation purpose. For example, cheese, butter, cream, yogurt, etc. Water content and acidity of the milk changes during the formation of these products, and texture, taste and flavor are also improved. These processes are performed on the large scale with more skill. Most of the milk products are made with the help of bacteria, but cheese is made with the help of fungi. Basic process for the production of yogurt, cheese and cream is the same. The milk is pasteurized at the beginning to destroy unwanted microbes. It is then fermented with the help of bacteria, that is lactobacilli. During this process, lactose sugar of the milk is converted into lactic acid and the milk proteins are coagulated, means they change to solid or semi-solid state with the help of lactic acid. Yogurt. Yogurt is a milk product produced with the help of lactobacilli bacteria. Milk is boiled and once it cools to warm temperature, bacterial strains of Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus delbrueckii are added to it in 1:1 proportion. Lactic acid is formed due to the Streptococcus that makes the proteins to gel out, that gives dense consistency to the yogurt. Acetaldehyde-like components are formed due to lactobacilli that gives characteristic taste to the yogurt. Nowadays, various fruit juices are mixed with yogurt to impart different flavors. For example, strawberry yogurt, banana yogurt, etc. Shelf life of yogurt and its probiotic properties can be improved by pasteurization. There are two types of butter, sweet cream and cultured. Sweet cream butter is unsalted butter and mostly used for the household purposes, whereas the cultured butter is the salted butter which is used in the commercial purposes. The microbes like Lactococcus latus and leuconostoc are used for the production of cultured butter. Cheese is produced on the large scale from the abundantly available cow milk all over the world. First, the chemical and the microbial test of the milk are performed. Some colors and microbes like Lactobacillus cremoris and Streptococcus thermophilus are mixed with the milk. It imparts sourness to the milk. After this, in order to impart the dense texture, the water in the yogurt has to be removed. For this, an enzyme, rennet, obtained from alimentary canal of the cattle was being traditionally used earlier. However, an enzyme, protease, obtained from fungi is used at present to produce vegetarian cheese. Now, after removing the water content from the yogurt, the actual process of the production of the cheese is started through the steps like cutting the solid yogurt into pieces, washing, rubbing, salting, and mixing of essential microbes, pigments, and flavors. Then, cheese is pressed and cut into pieces and stored for ripening. During the industrial production of milk products, strict cleanliness and sterilization is essential as bacteria can be attacked by viruses. Hence, virus-resistant varieties of bacteria are developed. Recently, use of mutant varieties of bacteria has been increased. Artificially, some strains are developed that will help to avoid unnecessary steps or materials. Mutant variation of microorganisms are different from the original microorganism. Mutant microorganisms, they have the characteristics which are not present in the original strain and thus make them useful for various purposes. This is all for this session. Thank you so much.